Hello, this video is to show you some of the functionality of the ExoSwitch Constraint, and I would like to start from the UI and what some of this menu and command means. So the first thing I want to show you is the reason why there are two driver objects here, and now they can be used to manipulate your scene. So what I just did, I added cube1 as a translation object, and cube 2 and 3 as a driven object. Another way to see that information is by looking at these attributes in the constraint itself. Is telling us that we have translation driver that is cube1, this guy, and then that's how it was earlier, and there is a reason why I want to show it to you like this. And we have cube 2 and cube 3 that are driven object. And let me turn this auto switch off because it's something that I want to talk about later. So now with this configuration, what I'm gonna get is something that behave kind of like a point constraint. So if I move this guy, the other two follow, but if I rotate, nothing really happen. If and of course if I move this guy, nothing happen. What we can do now is saying that we want to use cube 2 as a rotation driver. So now you can see that the only object that is getting driven is cube 1, and so by grabbing cube 1, cube 2 follow, cube 3 follow, and if I rotate, nothing really happen. And the same if I translate cube 2, nothing really happen, but when I rotate cube 2, then cube 3 start rotating around cube 1. And the reason why this functionality is useful is because sometimes people like to split their controllers in translation and rotation, and then this functionality allow to have one transform to rotate the driven object and one to translate them.